Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both of the trending up and the trending down sides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. You can see today is Friday, October the 27th. Capital F for Ford Motor Company popping up for the second day in a row on the main dashboard at TradeAlgo.com with a 270% increase in institutional bearish volume. So no surprises, the stock drops nearly 9% as a result. And now speed and transparency are key. It's important to get that information over here as opposed to getting it all the way over here after it's already dropped. Ford also popped up on our system yesterday as well. And if you'd like to take a look at that video, at the completion of this one, there should be a link taking you back to yesterday's video here on our YouTube channel as well. But let's go ahead and stick with today. If we go to the TradeAlgo Alerts tab, we can go to our trending downside of the equation and see the exact time that Ford was identified by our technology by going through private exchanges and seeing what larger institutions are doing, big market makers. So at 9:14 a.m., about 15 minutes before the market even opens, 1.53 times the bearish volume. If we go back to Ford's page here at TradeAlgo.com, the reason our technology was picking up on it is because typically only about $370 million of this stock is traded behind closed doors by larger institutions over a previous 7-day total average. Today alone, nearly $1 billion. So hundreds of millions of dollars in a fraction of the amount of time. No wonder it's making that large directional move. If you had followed smart money transactions and done put options, look at the nice list of triple and even quadruple digit winners. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $11 put option. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to take a look at the 15-minute chart. We know our AI picked it up in the pre-market, so when these options opened, it was about 18 cents per contract, all the way up to $1.10. It's a max of 511%. However, it's not about getting every single last percentage point out of it. It's about having the information and having the data down here with TradeAlgo as opposed to getting it over here after it's already moved. For example, maybe you didn't even make a trade until 11:30 a.m., still an opportunity for nearly a triple-digit return. And it wasn't just Ford, there were many other opportunities. We don't have time to go through all of them though, so let's just take a look at maybe one or two more. We have NRDS, which is NerdWallet. Massive increase, almost a 2,700% increase in institutional bullish volume on the green side of the board, TradeAlgo.com. Stock jumps nearly 23% as a result. If we go to our alerts tab, we can see that NRDS is identified at 9:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with nearly 18 times the institutional bullish pressure that's normally seen there. So if you had followed smart money transactions, and let's say you had done some call options, nice list of triple-digit winners. Lots of daily volume on the $10 call option. So let's just go to the 15-minute chart. AI picked it up at 9:39. Let's say you didn't even get in until 9:45 at its maximum. That's still an over 300% return. Maybe you didn't get in until 10:15, and then maybe you hopped out early at a triple-digit return. Again, be able to get the data and information with TradeAlgo here at 9:39 as opposed to hearing about it over here or over here or over here. We also send out alerts to our users. So for people who are busy with work, maybe newer to the market, just want to be a part of an active community, we send out specified alerts to our users. So instead of them having to use the system on their own, they can rely on something a little bit easier, something a little simpler. Here's an example. Send out an alert. There's a lot of institutional bearish pressure in Apple today. So at almost noon Eastern Standard Time, Apple 167.50 put expiring today, October the 27th. Let's go ahead and take a look at the way that that panned out. Let's go to AAPL at the TradeAlgo options chain. We're going to go to the 167.5 put, and we're going to look at the 5-minute candle here because we know that it was sent at 11:55 a.m. and that's of course Eastern Standard Time. So if we take a look at that 11:55 candle, options were anywhere between about 21 to 26 cents over the next 5 minutes, but from the sending of the alert to its max capacity, an over 200% return. Maybe you didn't get in for another 15, 20 minutes, and maybe you hopped out at a quick triple-digit return. You can see that by getting the alert over here, you have a little bit longer to react, and then boom. Congratulations to people who were sharing success stories with us, saying things like, hey, thanks for that 100% on Apple. You know, hey, thank you so much. In at 23 cents and out at 51 cents, even more than a 100% return. I had mentioned that Ford was on our dashboard yesterday. You can go take a look at the previous video for the 26 on our YouTube channel. This user got into Ford puts yesterday from the main dashboard up 200%. And there were many other success stories that were being shared. We don't have time to go through the other trade that we did on ENPH, but a lot of people sharing success stories from ENPH as well. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.